Hello students, welcome to our channel. So in today's video I'm going to discuss the questions on breathing and exchange of gases, the chapter of the class 11th, and subject is biology. So point to be noted that in this video I'm not going to discuss the PYQs. I'm only discussing some important questions of the chapter breathing and exchange of gases. As the chapter breathing and exchange of gases is not as much important as the other chapters, if we are talking about the NEET examination, so in NEET examination it's not quite important as the other chapters, as one question can be asked from that chapter, and that question is generally asked from the tidal volume, residual capacity, from that part. But yeah, if you have to score well, you have to do all the chapters, because you have to cover all the syllabus. That is the first target. And if we're talking about the cbse examination, that chapter is quite important, as the long type questions, that means 5 number question, is asked from that chapter breathing and exchange of gases, and there is no option provided, because both the question is same from the chapter breathing and exchange of gases, so you have to attempt it. So if you're cbse student, don't miss that chapter, because 5 number question is directly asked from that chapter. Okay, so let's continue with the question which is given on the screen. So the first question is, when under certain condition the p50 value of hemoglobin rises, the affinity of the pigment of combining with oxygen will A. remain same, B. rise, C. fall, D. first rise and then fall. So the correct answer is C. fall. So next question is, tidal volume and expiratory reserved volume of an athlete is 500 ml and 100 ml respectively. What will be his expiratory capacity if the residual volume is 1200 ml? So A. 2700 ml, B. 1500 ml, C. 1700 ml, D. 2200 ml. So the correct answer is B. 1500 ml. So the next question is, lungs are made up of air-filled sac, the alveoli. They do not collapse even after forceful expiration because of A. inspiratory reserved volume, B. tidal volume, C. expiratory reserved volume, D. residual volume. So the correct answer is D. residual volume. So the next question is, in human beings the oblique fissures are associated with A. right lung, B. left lung, C. both lungs, D. none. So the correct answer is C. both lungs. So the next question is, which of the following option correctly represent the lungs condition in asthma and emphysema respectively? A. inflammation of bronchioles, decreased respiratory surface. B. increased number of bronchioles, increased respiratory surface. C. increased respiratory surface, inflammation of bronchiole. D. decreased respiratory surface, inflammation of bronchiole. So the correct answer is A. inflammation of bronchiole and decreased respiratory surface. So the next question is, which of the following is an occupational respiratory disorder? A. anthracis, B. silicosis, B. C. botulism, D. emphysema. So the correct answer is B. silicosis. Question number 7. Asthma might be attributed by A. inflammation of the trachea, B. accumulation of fluid in the lungs, C. bacterial infection of the lung, D. allergic reaction of the mast cell in the lungs. So the correct answer is D. allergic reaction of the mast cell in the lungs. So the next question is question number 8. When carbon dioxide concentration in blood increase, breathing becomes A. shallower and slow, B. there is no effect on breathing, C. slow and deep, D. faster and deeper. So the correct answer is D. faster and deeper. Question number 9. The respiratory center which regulates respiration is located in A. cerebellum, B. medulla oblongata, C. cerebral peduncle, D. vagus nerve. So the correct answer is B. medulla oblongata. So the question number 10. The partial pressure of oxygen in the alveoli of the lungs is A. equal to that in the blood, B. more than that in the blood, C. less than that in the blood, D. less than that of carbon dioxide. So the correct answer is B. more than that in the blood. So the next question is, the majority of carbon dioxide produced by our body cells is transported to the lungs by A. dissolved in blood, C. B. as bicarbonate, C. as carbonate, D. attached to hemoglobin. So the correct answer is B. as bicarbonate. So the next question is, the trachea divides into two right and left primary bronchi at the level of A. 7th cervical vertebra, B. 3rd thoracic vertebra, C. 5th thoracic vertebra, D. 7th thoracic vertebra. So the correct answer is C. 5th thoracic vertebra. So the next question is, volume of air that will remain in the lungs after a normal expiration is about A. 1200 ml, B. 2300 ml, C. 4600 ml, D. 5800 ml. So the correct answer is B. 2300 ml. 2300 ml. So the next question is, the partial pressure of oxygen is equal in A. atmospheric air and alveoli, B. alveoli and oxygenated blood, C. Alveoli and deoxygenated blood, D. Deoxygenated blood and tissue. So the correct answer is D. Deoxygenated blood and tissue. So the next question is, on an average, healthy human breathes dash times per minute. A. 70 to 72 minutes time per minute, as the question is given here, so I only read the option. B. 20 to 25. C. 12 to 16. D. 120 to 80. So the correct answer is C. 12 to 16. So the next question is, which of the following factor will increase the breathing rate? A. Acidity. B. Decrease in pH. C. Blood pressure. D. All of the above. So the correct answer is D. All of the above. So the next question is, a person suffer puncture in his chest cavity in an accident without any damage to the lungs. Its effects could be A. Reduce in breathing rate. B. Rapid increase in breathing rate. C. No change in respiration. D. Cessation of breathing. So the correct answer is D. Cessation of breathing. Question number 18. It is known that exposure to carbon monoxide is harmful to animals because A. It reduces CO2 transport. B. It reduces O2 transport. C. It increases CO2 transport. D. It increases O2 transport. So the correct answer is B. It reduces O2 transport. So the next question is, mark the true statement among the following with reference to normal breathing. A. Inspiration is a passive process whereas expiration is active. B. Inspiration is an active process where expiration is passive. C. Inspiration and expiration are active process. D. Inspiration and expiration are passive process. So the correct answer is B. Inspiration is an active process whereas expiration is passive. So the next question is, CO2 dissociates from carbohemoglobin when A. Partial pressure of CO2 is high and PO2 is low. B. PO2 is high and PCO2 is low. C. PCO2 and PO2 are equal. D. None of the above. So the correct answer is B. PO2 is high and PCO2 is low. So the next question is, when there is a shortage of oxygen in the body, which organ is most affected? A. Intestine. B. Skin. C. Kidney. D. Brain. So the correct answer is D. Brain. So the next question is, what can be used to represent a functional residual capacity? A. TV plus ERV. B. ERV plus RV. C. RV plus IRV. D. ERV plus TV plus IRV. So the correct answer is B. ERV plus RV. So the next question is, in addition to expiratory function, the lungs also plays a role in A. Excretion. B. Temperature regulation. C. pH regulation. D. Maintaining the balance of our body. So the correct answer is B. Temperature regulation. So the next question is, what will happen if only the thoracic wall is punctured and not the lungs? A. The lungs get inflated. B. The man dies as the lungs get collapsed. C. The breathing rate decreases. D. The breathing rate increases. So the correct answer is B. The man dies as the lungs get collapsed. The next question is, which of the following statement is false? A. The partial pressure of oxygen in deoxygenated blood is 40 mmHg. B. The partial pressure of oxygen in oxygenated blood is 95 mmHg. C. The partial pressure of oxygen in the alveolar air is 104 mmHg. D. The partial pressure of a carbon dioxide in deoxygenated blood is 95 mmHg. So the correct answer is D. The partial pressure of carbon dioxide in deoxygenated blood is 95 mmHg. So the next question is, due to flattening of trachea vessel, alveoli are deprived of oxygen in which disease? A. Bronchitis. B. Asthma. C. Pneumonia. D. Emphysema. So the correct answer is D. Emphysema. So the next question is, what controls the rate of breathing? A. The amount of freely available oxygen. B. The amount of carbon dioxide. C. Muscular function of the body. D. Stress. So the correct answer is B. Amount of carbon dioxide. So the next question is, why is exposure to carbon monoxide harmful to animals? A. It reduces CO2 transport. B. It reduces O2 transport. C. It increases CO2 transport. D. It increases O2 transport. So the correct answer is B. It reduces O2 transport. So the next question is, after forced expiration, someone breathes in some volume of air by forced inspiration. What is this quantity of air taken in cold? A. Total lung capacity. B. Tidal volume. C. Vital capacity. D. Inspiratory capacity. So the correct answer is C. Vital capacity. So the next question is, in context to oxygen binding to hemoglobin, mark the incorrect statement. A. Higher pH. B. Lower temperature. C. Lower PCO2. D. Higher PO2. So the correct answer is D. Higher PO2. So as I already said that in the NEET examination some of the questions are very important in this chapter, like this question which I represented on the screen, that the question is related to the capacity. So this type of question as here is given, so this type of question is important according to the NEET examination. So guys, if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel and comment and share. Thank you for watching.